This is the GESKE German Beauty Tech SmartAppGuided Sonic Thermo Facial Brush 6-in-1. I'm so excited to use this. I'm going to use the warm side first, and I've already scrubbed my face, but I'll show you how to do it. This is Elle's #1 beauty innovation. So here is the packaging. It's awesome. And there's a QR code inside here that you can scan on your phone, and then it walks you through a daily routine. It shows you how to use it, and it wants you to track it every day. The bristles are just so soft and smooth. I wonder if you can see how awesome those are. Let me see. And then here's my serum. So I'm gonna turn it on and then I'll rub my serum in. So there's a button here. You can turn on, you just hold it for a little bit, and there you go. And there's a plus and a minus. And so there's a little sun over here on this, right here, sorry. And you just hold it. And there's a little light that pops on. I didn't see it before, but I did today in the shower when I was scrubbing my face. So as it warms up, it just feels so good. It says do 15 seconds on each side of your face, of your cheeks, and then you move around. You can see it stimulating my face right there. It opens the pores and it gets all the blood flowing. It feels so good. I'm gonna do this side now. Oh, this feels so good. I'm gonna do my neck too, because I love to do my neck. I'm getting older now, so I've got these lines in my neck that always seem to be there. I'm hoping maybe this will help smooth them out. I don't know. Oh, that felt really good. I'm gonna go back up. Oh, it's so warm. I'm gonna do my forehead. I'm gonna go up and out. Feels so good. And it has this nice little angled section here around your nose really well. It tickles a little bit because of the vibration. And it fits in my eye socket really well too, so I can like smooth it out and up. That is just amazing. I would use this on my whole body. And then I can put it on this side too. Oh my gosh, that feels so great. I'm probably doing it longer than I need to, but it feels so amazing. I just want to keep doing it. Okay, then you turn it off.